All right, so if you've ever wanted to mount like an iPad or your phone or anything like that to your dashboard of your vehicle, you'll find there's not a lot of clean ways to do it. Usually it's like a vent mount or something like that. I've got a product for you that I think you're gonna like. Specifically, this product's for the GX460 behind me, but they make a bunch of solutions for different vehicles. So we're gonna show you what that is and then hop right into the install. Let's go. So in the GX460 behind me, we wanted to install some sort of accessory mount track, something that's sleek, looks like it came from factory maybe, but gives us some functionality so we can get, phone mounts up, tablet mounts, whatever. So Expedition Essentials makes exactly that. In this case, it's a track, it's super nice and sleek, and they make solutions for a lot of different vehicles. So if you've ever wanted to do like a uniball mount or something, or if you ever wanted to do like one of these Ram mounts and you don't want to stick it to your glass, or you don't want to do like a vent mount, you want something that's going to be rugged for like a trail, things like that, this solution is really good for that. So we're going to hop right into the install, show you how quick and easy it is to do, and then show you kind of what the end product is. And with a little luck, you might be able to do it on your own. Let's go. All right, so what we've got here is the primary bracket that came from Expedition Essentials. And what we're gonna do is fit this flat surface underneath here and these curved sides onto the side of the head unit. So something like so. And I'm gonna take a marker and mark the holes so that we can do our pre-drilling. Using a drill bit smaller than the screws that came in the pack, or the same size at least. We're going to go ahead and drill these in. You don't want to go too far because you don't want to go into the switch panel here, but we're just going to get through the main plastic here. And then we're going to go ahead, pop the pack open. I'm not using a drill because I don't want anything to strip. We're just going to get these started. These are just kind of self-tapping screws that came with it. Swap to different sides here. Keep in mind when you're drilling into here, you have to go through, I believe, the vent plastic as well, possibly. So you can go a little bit deeper with the drill bit, but on the switches, you definitely don't want to do that. So I think what I'm going to do is take this one out and just go a hair deeper. Yeah, way better. The kit does come with support brackets on the side if you're going to put something really heavy like a tablet, but I kind of want to try this clean look just with like phone mounts and see if it's even necessary. I mean, this does not move like at all, so I like that, so we'll see. All right, so what we have here is two track balls from Ram mounts. This one is their normal one, this one is their aluminum one, and so we're going to slide this down the T-slot here. I've already kind of loosened it. And it's got this like little rubber bushing here. So once you get it where you want, you just spin the actual ball. So this is going to be like a his and hers sort of setup is what I'm going for. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to slide it to the driver. And let's go with a kind of maybe centered on that hazard. And then this one will go over here, kind of offset, because I've got a extendable arm from Tacform, just a company I found on Amazon. And it goes like that. And then this is a normal phone kind of pressure mount from Bullet Point, and this is just kind of universal for almost any phone. And we're going to kind of test this out. I don't think I need to extend this much, but the extendable arm I might use for the passenger side one. So somebody can extend it out to them, watch a movie, whatever. But for proof concept, we're just going to go ahead and kind of attach this one in here, like so. Get this all tightened up, more or less where I want it. And then we need this to be able to open, so Probably like that should work. Let's test concept. There it is. What I'm really concerned about is, does the mount need the additional brackets? They don't look as clean, but in the case of one phone or two phones, probably not. It actually looks pretty solid. I don't see anything moving in the dash here, even when I'm putting some pretty good vibration on it. So I think we'll be okay. Nothing's affecting anything here. So I like how this is looking. Yeah, pretty secure. All right, so that's it. Super easy install. I'm actually really impressed with how sleek this looks. And we did not do the added mounts that basically make it more rigid. They are a little bit less clean because they are visible on the outside. They don't just sit inside of the screen. But I think for our purposes, we just want to mount phones basically. It's going to be pretty solid. So we'll see how it holds up, and if not, then we could always add it later. But in my opinion, it's just so sleek and clean the way it is. I wanted to leave it just like that and see how that goes. So pumped with how that came out. Thanks for watching.